Hi, Michael. I just had a meeting with Derek Dell. He owns the Derek's Fried Chicken restaurants. Have you eaten there?
Oh, yeah, I love that fried chicken. It's the best I've ever had.
Derek came to me for advice about how best to protect that fried chicken recipe. I thought I'd see what you think about that.
Well, I guess the first thing would be to make sure that no one can give away the recipe.
And how would you keep that from happening?
I guess we'd have the employees sign a non disclosure agreement, agreeing not to disclose the recipe to anyone outside the company.
What if they do?
There should be a liquidated damages clause in the contract, requiring anyone who does breach the contract to pay a large sum of money. Also, the contract should say that Derek's Fried Chicken can file an injunction to stop anybody from revealing the recipe.
Good. What else?
Well, I guess next they should register a patent.
Oh, do you remember the requirements to get a patent for an invention?
Well, yes, it has to be new, it has to be useful, and it has to be non obvious, meaning that no one else in the industry can have thought of it before.
And do you think a fried chicken recipe can fit those requirements?
Well, yes, it's the best fried chicken I've ever had, so it's definitely non obvious. And it is useful and delicious.
But is it new?
Well, no. I guess fried chicken has been around for a long time.
So if we can't get a patent, what is the best protection then?
Oh, a trade secret, which is why the employees have to sign a non disclosure agreement.
And what are the advantages of a trade secret versus a patent?
Well, a trade secret can be filed for free with the government, and it never expires as long as it's still a secret. A patent expires after 20 years.
Any disadvantages that you can think of for a trade secret versus a patent?
Well, I guess if somebody reverse engineered the recipe, perhaps. If someone somehow found out the ingredients and replicated the recipe, then they would have the right to use it. A patent is a monopoly, so even if somebody found out, they still wouldn't be allowed to use the recipe.
Right. I think you've got a good understanding of patents and trade secrets.
Well, thanks. I'll go ahead and get to work on that non disclosure agreement.